spent in a miserable way.
U.S. News Group defense article on Henry Ford's anti-Semitic views. The Washington Post. Detroit area historical group is protesting a mayor's decision to stop it from sending out the latest issue of its publication, which delves into Ford Motor co-founder Henry Ford's anti-Semitism. Officials with the Dearborn Historical Commission say the latest edition of the Dearborn Historian, a city-financed quarterly journal, should be sent to its roughly 200 subscribers, and that Mayor Jack Orley should reverse his decision to cut ties with longtime Detroit journalist Bill McGraw, who wrote the Ford piece. The story, which can be read online, highlights Ford's writings and views on Jews and explores how they still influence modern neo-Nazi groups. The cover of the Halt, the Dearborn-based automaker disavowed its founder's views before he died in 1947 and sought to make amends with Jews and Israel. Andrew Kirkell, assistant chief curator of the city's history museum, told the Detroit News that Ford is obviously Dearborn's favorite son. "This was just tickling mud or done irresponsibly," he said. "This is basically." McGraw, a Dearborn resident and former Detroit Free Press reporter, praised the community and Orley's overall work as mayor. "I am proud of Dearborn, and had this just been published, it would have been a positive thing for the city," he told the News. Orley said in a statement that he thought the publication and dredging up hateful messages from a century ago could become a distraction from our continuing messages of inclusion and respect. The mayor added for years, Dearborn has supported and participated with interfaith organizations and in regional roundtables with diverse communities, and actively promotes initiatives dedicated to increasing unity and understanding, Orley said. Dearborn now has one of the largest communities of Arabs outside of the Middle East. Copyright 2019 The Associated Press. All rights reserved.
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park pot.